Hello traders, in this video I will show you the trade that I took today on Bank Nifty. For the first 1 hour, the price action in Bank Nifty was in a consolidated range. Usually I look for any breakout or trend reversal price actions to scalp some profits. I am waiting for any breakout. Yeah, I got a breakout signal in R2 resistance. The current day low was broken. I took entry in that candle. Usually I will trade by executing a debit spreads, so I expect market to go down, so I executed put debit spread. After I get a profit of 2000 rupees, I will exit my trade.